Hello, my name is Jennifer Matranga. I'm the project manager for Oscar Renda Contracting, and I'm here to give an update on the status of the North contract. We have completed the sewer work on Porter Avenue and are installing the storm drain. We have completed the road base on Quarrens and should be installing base course of asphalt paving by the end of the year. On Benaki, we have completed the jack and bore under the CSX Railroad and are completing the connection of the water and the sewer south of the tracks. Once that is complete, we'll complete the installation of the storm drain within the CSX right-of-way and then down Benaki. We are working on Esters Boulevard east of Nixon Street in the CSX right-of-way, installing the sewer system. Once that is complete, we will install the storm drain to complete the utility work in that area. Sidewalks and driveways are complete on Division, and we are following right behind that with landscaping and any necessary fencing. We are taking care of some punch list items on the east side of the project to prepare for the installation of surface course of asphalt. By the end of the year, we should be installing surface course of asphalt on Oak Street, Laurel Court, Coon Street, and Crawford Street, both north and south of Division. Over the last month, we have installed the surface course of asphalt on all streets east of Oak Street, on Strange Avenue, south of Division, on Railroad Street, Dunbar Street, New Street, Collier, Cruz, Esposito, and Magnolia north of Division. Over the next several weeks, we will begin working on the sidewalks and driveways on all paved streets north and south of Division to the east of Kyvet, then follow right behind that with landscaping. We would like to remind the residents and visitors that our speed limit throughout the construction site is 15 miles per hour. This is for the safety of our workers and for your safety. We would also like to remind the residents that the orange rock bags that are located in front of the drainage structures are to protect our local waterways and a requirement of the contract and should not be moved. The bags filter sediment from the water before it travels through the drainage system, preventing silt and debris from going into the drainage pipe. We are appreciative of your continued patience and support. We are working as quickly and as safely as possible and remain committed to building a better Biloxi. And we'd like to wish you and your families a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jack Gravick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager with Hip Hill Construction on the Biloxi South contract, and I'm here to give you an update on the progress of our work. We have completed the water and sewer installation on Porter Avenue, Bolton Lane, Youngin Drive, Lestrade, Howard Avenue up to in front of Burger, Quarrens Avenue, and we are 2 weeks out from finishing the water and sewer on Gill Avenue. We have completed the storm drain on phase 2 of this project, except for one area in the tank yard and in the parking lot on the north side of Irish Hill. We have 2 crews working on Father Ryan Avenue and the side streets in that area, working on the installation of water and sewer. We still have concrete crews working on storm drain boxes, sidewalks, driveways, and curb in multiple areas on the project. After the first of the year, we will have a road crew coming down to start restoring the roads that we have completed all the pipe installation on. We'd like to ask that everyone continue keeping our employees' safety in mind while driving around our construction areas. We would like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.